Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the Cyber block. Yes, in Dutch they call it Cyber block, in Japanese Suguru, but it's an ordinary jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In not in today's newspaper of Friday, December the 29th, 2023. No, in I've told you earlier, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. It's the edition of Thursday, yesterday's edition, December the 28th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two stars Sudoku. So it's time now for the last puzzle. Yeah, the last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7703. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. Plenty digits. 22. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10. But this one has 22. More than, yeah, a lot. Double. Maybe triple. Triple 8. Yeah, almost. Alright, it's indicated, of course, with 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. I see only 1 single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. Well, how about the triple boxes? I see here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 1 is already given, so those two boxes will be 2 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, we already have a 4 here in the same area, so it should be a 5 then. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box, there a quadra box. The 2 is already given, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another could be everywhere. So I need more information, insufficient information right now. Here another one. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. We have a T shape here, rotated. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 2 or a 3 here. Alright. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only one shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here the same, this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting. Filling those numbers. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box. Should be there. Two numbers left in this area. One was 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this corner box. One numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 5. This box can be 3. So 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. 3 and 5. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 and 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This one is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and 5. Alright. Let me think. I need a 5 here in this T-shaped area. Well, this box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected also with that box. Should be 2 and 3. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then. I need to think here. I need to think. Come on. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, double 5. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 4 and 5. Okay, 2. Need a 3 here. Okay. Come on. 1, 4, 5. 2 and a 3. Here, 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. Is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. Alright. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. All right. Then this box can be a 3, so a 3 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 2. Alright. Still not. This cannot be a 3, okay. I need a 2 here. Well, these two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. This one is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 3 and a 1, need to wait. 3, 1, and need a 5 here. Okay. Let me think. Yeah, I need to think. These two boxes can be a 3. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. Then 1, 3. Need a 2 and a 5. Okay. And now. How about this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 1, and also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 now. It means that these two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 1. But also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Alright. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 3 and a 1. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes and there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 4 there. The 4 is supposed to be here. Alright? Okay, and now. Let me think. I need a 2, need a 5. Need a 2 and a 5. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5 then. Alright. That means that those two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. Okay. But I need a 2, need a 4 here. Alright, I now 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 4. Alright, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1-star puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. So have a great and fantastic Friday. We'll meet again tomorrow on... Yeah, tomorrow. It's weekend. Saturday, yes. So have a great and fantastic Friday. And it's almost end of this year. Yeah, in 2 days. And yeah, I hope 2024 will be a great, peaceful year. Yeah, peaceful year. Anyway, thank you for watching. and see you at tomorrow. Bye bye.